We are going to unbox today Circle C50 SMIL Multimedia Combo keyboard and mouse set. These are the primary features of this combo set. It has a gold-plated USB. It offers you 1000 dpi mouse resolution. There's a chocolate keypad and mute technology. There's a set of multimedia hotkeys. It offers you superior stretch silica gel material that offers more elasticity. While the print on it is a laser printed keycaps that stay longer. The keyboard features spill-resistant designs that protect the hardware from liquid. This is the multimedia combo mouse and keyboard mouse kit. You can see the hotkeys on the top side. It has a very comfortable key press. This is the mouse that comes with inside the package. Now this keyboard looks to be a standard keyboard. There are no special things available in it. It is not a backlit keyboard. We'll give you more detailed information on its output in a detailed review of Circle C50 Slim Multimedia Combo.
That's all for now. For more review, tutorial, news and updates on latest technology, visit techarena.in. Thank you. Have a nice day.